What's good, YouTube? Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make bypass audios with cuss words. So, this is going to not be a clean version. Clean versions are easier, but yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So, this is a leaked method. This method got leaked. I don't know when. But yeah, people say that this is C1 VFO's method. So yeah, it's just going to be a C1 VSO's method. So now, what you guys want to do is make an intro. Now, intros are easy. I'm not going to go into that. You guys can just search up a tutorial on how to make an audio intro. Then after this, you guys are going to need a bait. So, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. After you guys got like a bait thing, then you guys can do whatever you guys want. Now, this is the first method. So, you're going to do control, just zoom out, like that, come out. Then you guys are just gonna get like something. So let's just get this, a Fortnite drinking sound. So actually, you guys are not gonna want to put your intro first. You're gonna do this. So this is a really good method. After you do that, you're gonna grab your intro. Grab your intro, Control C, zoom out again. Now after you do that, you guys want to go to import. Now grab your intro again, zoom out again, grab Control C, bam. Now let's just say that this is about 5 seconds. So you're gonna put your intro at about, let's just put your intro about there. Bada boom, bada bang. And you guys can just, what audio would we use? Let's just use this audio. Let's just use this. So we're gonna grab this, put it right after the intro. So you got your songs. You guys can do whatever you guys want to it. You guys can add all the effects, amplify, bass, and treble. You guys can add your invert, your SC4, your limiter, or whatever you guys want to do. But this is just the bass. You guys take a listen. There's the sound effect that Roblox is gonna hear. Roblox is gonna hear that. And it's just gonna be a long pause. Just wait for it to load. After it passes the 30-second mark, it's gonna start right in 3, 2, 1. So after that, your audio is gonna play. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you guys on how to make it. This one's just a little short one, but yeah, you guys can do Control A, go here, export as OGG. But yeah, this is gonna be a little bit more risky just because Roblox is making audios privated. So you guys are probably just gonna have to upload this on your main Roblox account or an alt account that you're just gonna play audios on. So yeah, but the audio uploads are free, so you guys can make it how long as you want it. You guys can just do a clean one. The clean one doesn't even need all this stuff. It just needs like an intro, and you guys are just gonna make it not loud. So yeah, hope this tutorial helped. See you guys in the next video.